Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to view private inventory in Roblox. So make sure to watch all the steps and watch all the video to view any private inventory, or either you can do it or not in Roblox account. So as you can see, like these are some of the people which I have searched, and that is their account. So let's say that I want to check this person's private inventory. When you click on the profile, so basically if you scroll down you will be seeing like the currently wearing items. You can just change it and view all the stuff that he's currently wearing. And if you click on the full profile, it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it. And as you can see, like this person, this there's an about section and a creation section. So in the about section you can view all the items that are currently wearing the person, and you can just view all the friends as well, the communities and favorites. And in the dresses, like these are like, if you could go to favorites, there are some inventories like some dresses or some shoes or anything like that which they add to their favorite section, so you can view that as well. But if you are looking for any kind of private inventory which the person has hidden from the public, so you won't be able to view that private inventory, as this is the privacy added by the Roblox account, that if a person has set something to private, so you won't be able to view it in the public section. So yeah, that is all about, if you can, like if you're trying to watch the inventory of any person, if that is public, you can view it as well. And here are the similar sections, and if you're trying to view the private inventory, so you won't be able to watch it. That is all about if you can watch the private inventory in Roblox or not.